Now case study type questions. देखो जी, again same approach. Whenever you see a long question, go and read the options first. चलिए देखते हैं क्या है. Which one among the following principles of public administration was most strongly demonstrated by Mr. X action? Okay, ठीक है. क्या बोला गया है? Spirit de corpus. Again, if you have done ethics, then only you would be able to know the meaning of these words. Otherwise, it is difficult. ठीक है. तो Spirito de corpus. Spirit बोलते हैं इसको. Spirit of corpse body. This is unity and spirit among an organization. This is what this is. Equity. देखते हैं. Fair distribution. This is what equity means. Accountability. In general terms, we know that accountability is answerability. So generally, accountability is answerability. But if you have done ethics, then you would know it is also responsibility. It is also enforcement. Delegation. Giving your work to somebody else. Work to others. This is the meaning. Now let's see what is the question. Mr. X, a senior officer, was overseeing a critical vaccine program. Okay. During pandemic, okay. So during pandemic, he was seeing a vaccine program. Every sentence you read, try to pause and know what you have understood from the sentence. Go and watch RC video. I will link it. You will know how to approach such question because this is RC type question. Case study RC type question. He found that a private service provider responsible for vaccine distribution was compromising on quality. Okay, somebody was compromising on quality. Despite immense pressure. So this is a contrasting word, despite. Be very careful. Despite immense pressure to manage the issue due to vested interest, okay, he raised his voice. Okay, he raised his voice despite these problems. Voice based on the principle of public administration, which he had learned during various training programs attended across his careers. He reported the issue to appropriate vigilance authority and halted the contract to ensure citizens' welfare. Okay. So he raised his voice. Raising his voice. Spirit नहीं, unity नहीं दिखा रहा है. हटाओ. Equity. Fair distribution is equity. Okay. One can be confused there. Is this equity? Accountability, answerability, fair enforcement of ideas, responsibility. This is more suited for this question. So accountability should be the answer. Delegation is not. Usually people are confused between equity and accountability. In this, equity is appropriate virtue shown by Mr. X. ठीक है. यहाँ लिखा हुआ है equity versus accountability. Read ethics. Okay. So lesson from this question is that 5 years of ethics case studies you must do. Then only you would be able to do these questions easily. Especially now since exam is getting very, very difficult. So try to incorporate GS1 to GS4. All 5 years PYQ answer writing in your mains plan because there are many questions in prelims which have been inspired from mains PYQs. ठीक है. This is fairly okay question. One could have done this, but I would say 50-50 chances of doing this correct. If you know, then only. So reading newspaper, doing ethics is important to solve such questions.